A very good morning to all lovely kids. I hope you all are good. The action for the x sound is x, x. Okay, you need to pretend to take an x-ray with the camera. Okay, so the action is x, x. Okay, so whenever I will ask you which sound is this, you need to say x, x with action. Okay, children? Okay, so the sound is x, x. Good job. Okay, children. So let's learn the new phonic song and the action of the x sound. Which sound? X sound. Okay, so let's start learning the new phonic song and the action. I have told you the action. Okay, now I will tell you the lyrics. The lyrics is x, x. Take an x-ray, x, x. Take an x-ray, x, x. Take an x-ray. Okay, so this line we will repeat 3 times. Okay, so let's do with the song and later on we will do without song. Okay, so let's start. Take an x-ray, take an x-ray, take an x-ray, x-ray of my hand. Well done. Let's do again. Take an x-ray, take an x-ray, take an x-ray, x-ray of my hand. Well done. I hope you got the song. Did you got the song? If not, we will do it again with the song and later on we will do without music. Okay? Take an x-ray, take an x-ray, take an x-ray, x-ray of my hand. Well done, kids. Okay, now let's do without music. The song is x, x. Take an x-ray, x, x. Take an x-ray, x, x. Take an x-ray, x-ray of my hands. Okay, now children, you also sing along with me. Okay, so let's start. 1, 2, 3 and go. X, x. Take an x-ray, x, x. Take an x-ray, x, x. Take an x-ray, x-ray of my hands. Did you got it? If yes, good job. If not, we will do again with this music and we will move on. Be ready. Take an x-ray, take an x-ray, take an x-ray, x-ray of my hand.
Now children, we will read the vocabulary words of the x sound. For this you need to take your Phonic 5 picture book. Okay, and then we will turn on to the page number 26. So this is the pictures related to the x sound. Which sound? X sound. So here we have only 2 pictures. So this is X-ray. X, X-ray. Say with me, X-ray. X, X-ray. Second picture is Xmas tree. X, Xmas tree. Say with me, Xmas tree. So children, you need to read the vocabulary. Now children, please take your book out, Phonics People, Book 1. and then we will turn on to the page number 31. So children, we need to do the second half of this page. Okay, so here we have pictures. So 3 of these pictures have a sound in them. Cross out the one that does not. Okay, so we need to search for the picture that does not have the sound. So here's the first picture. It's a box. So can you hear the sound in box? Yes, we have the sound in box. So we will not cross out this picture. Now second picture, can you tell me what is this? Yes, it's a sheep. What is this? Sheep. So do we have the sound in sheep? No. So we will cross out the picture. Now let's see the third picture. What is this, children? It's a 6. So can you hear the sound in 6? Yes, we have the sound at the end of the word. Now the last picture is fox. Can you hear the sound? Yes, we have the sound at the end of the word. So these 3 pictures have the sound and this picture does not. So we have crossed out. Now children, we will read out the side words too. Read along with me. B, O, X, box. B, O, X, box. S, I, X, 6. S, I, X, 6. E, X, I, T, exit. E, X, I, T, exit. N, E, X, T, next. N, E, X, T, next. So children, you need to read these words also. Now children, for the homework you need to take skills in writing English, small letters, textbook, and then turn on to the page number 49. So here you need to trace and write the x sound. And we have the picture of a xylophone. X, xylophone. And here they have given the formation of the X sound. So 1 and 2. So in the same way, we will write the X sound in 4 lines. Okay. So you need to remember that your X sound will come between the 2 blue lines. So first we will write on the dots and then we will write without dots. So I will tell you in detail how you need to write. So first you will trace on the dots. You can say the number 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So in the same way you will write this line. Now we will write the sound without dots. So you will place your pencil on the dot and you will make the first line and then the second line. So children, you must remember that your sound should be correct. Your formation of the sound should be correct. It should come between the 2 blue lines. So in this way you will write your sound in this whole page. Thank you for watching the video. See you soon, kids. Bye bye.